HyMoCARES is co-financed by the European Regional Development Fund through the Interreg Alpine Space Program. Natural rivers are tireless workers. They carry water, but also gravel, sand, and wood from mountains to the plains and eventually to the sea. This dynamics of water and sediments shapes the landscape and sustains habitats and biodiversity. But this is also very important for human well-being, as it provides several useful services: maintaining clean water sources, mitigating floods, forming beaches along the coast, enabling unique recreational opportunities, and many others. However, alpine river systems have been extensively altered by human interventions. Therefore, several ecosystem services provided by alpine rivers are at risk, even further due to the effects of climate change. River managers are thus facing the great challenge of improving the way rivers, and especially water and sediment flows, are dealt with. Mitigating human impact and restoring more natural river hydromorphological processes are priorities, as they can provide important benefits to alpine communities. But these benefits need to be made clear to everybody and be more considered in decision-making processes. This is why 13 partners from all alpine regions have developed the HyMoCARES project. HyMoCARES will clarify the links between human uses, hydromorphological processes, and the availability of ecosystem services in alpine rivers. It will provide tools and methods to improve basin planning and management of water and sediments in river corridors, interacting with the various organizations that have a role in this. It will make available evidence of the benefits of river restoration through a network of 13 case studies, supporting the design, monitoring, and evaluation of cost-effective mitigation and restoration measures. If you work for a public authority in charge of river basin planning and management, or for an environmental agency, if you deal with urban planning, if you manage or design hydropower plants, if you're an angler, a farmer, a school teacher, or if you just care about alpine rivers, HyMoCARES is for you, and we need your knowledge and points of view. Join our events and keep yourself informed.